Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store but felt overwhelmed by the logistics of sourcing and shipping products? Well, today, we're going to dive into a tool that could revolutionize your e-commerce journey, Spocket. What is Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with thousands of suppliers worldwide. It simplifies the process of finding, ordering, and shipping products directly to your customers without you ever having to handle inventory. Benefits of using Spocket. Vast product catalog. Spocket offers a diverse range of products, from electronics and fashion to home goods and beauty. This means you can easily find products that align with your target audience's interests. High-quality images and descriptions. Each product on Spocket comes with detailed descriptions and high-resolution images. This makes it easy for you to create attractive product pages that convert visitors into customers. Shipping options. Spocket provides various shipping options, including express shipping, which can help you meet your customers' expectations for fast delivery. Profit margins. With Spocket, you can set your own prices and profit margins, allowing you to maximize your earnings. Easy integration. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it easy to set up your online store. How does Spocket work? Create an account, sign up for a Spocket account, and explore the platform's vast product catalog. Select products, choose the products you want to sell, and add them to your store. Set your prices, determine your desired profit margin, and set the selling price for each product. Receive orders. When a customer places an order, Spocket will automatically forward it to the supplier. Supplier fulfills order. The supplier will ship the product directly to your customer, handling all the logistics. Tips for success with Spocket. Niche down. Focus on a specific niche to attract a targeted audience and build a loyal customer base. Curate your product selection. Choose products that are in high demand and align with your brand's aesthetic. Optimize your product listings. Use compelling product descriptions, high-quality images, and relevant keywords to improve your search engine ranking. Build trust with your customers, offer excellent customer service, fast shipping, and a hassle-free return policy. Stay updated on trends, keep an eye on emerging trends, and adjust your product offerings accordingly. Spocket is a valuable tool for anyone looking to start or grow an online store. By simplifying the sourcing, ordering, and shipping process, Spocket empowers you to focus on what you do best, building your brand and providing exceptional customer service. Remember, ready to take your online business to the next level? Sign up for a Spocket account today and start exploring the endless possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.